very basic standpoint, we need a floor plan, and quite commonly we encounter floor plans that are just in non-GS formats, like even just PDF documents that are representing a fire plan or evacuation plan or just a floor plan in general. Sometimes we will get floor plans that are in raster image formats, or occasionally we'll come across CAD files and computer-aided drafting files that may be left over from the design and build of the structure. Sometimes we come across BIM files, so Building Information Management System files, like in AutoCAD, Revit. Those tend to be the super highly detailed, down to the square inch, every nut and bolt and screw type of a plan for a building. Fantastic, maybe more detailed than we even need. So yeah, we definitely need source documents.
Dave, I don't want to interrupt John, but one thing I'd like to add about the source documents, and one of the lessons learned that came out of our initial approach at this was that it does take some time locally to work with the facility owners. So it's not a matter of we just contract with Geocom and wait for the finished product. It truly is a partnership. We're in a much better position to go out and solicit the floor plan data than a private company is. And there's a natural resistance to releasing information that might be deemed sensitive. So we had to bump up against that a little bit. What we learned is that when the facility owners have an understanding of why it's needed and how it will be used, that they have a greater comfort level. But of course that takes time working with them, and we feel like we're in a better position to do that than Geocom, and we're leveraging their GIS expertise to create the finished product.